Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Claude feels different or slower, you might be using the wrong model. So let's change this. Claude offers different AI models, each designed for specific tasks like writing, coding, or analysis. And in 2026, switching models is easy, but many users don't know where to find the option. So let me show you by following these few simple steps. The first thing you want to do is to go to your web browser and type in Claude. Then you're going to click on the Claude.ai website. This and make sure you sign in with your account. After you do that, you're going to click on New Chat. Here, we're going to start a new chat by clicking on New Chat. Then you're going to look for the model selector at the top. Let's look for the model selector. As you can see here, there are here more models. We're going to select them here in the search bar. You can see here the models. We have Opus 4.5, Sonnet 4.5, or Haiku 4.5. You can also find more models which are for the premium version. As you can see, it says upgrade. So in order to use these models, you have to upgrade your Claude account. Now you can choose the model you want, like faster model. It gives you quick tasks. Advanced models gives you the deep reasoning. So make sure to choose that. Like here, we see Sonnet 4.5 is best for everyday tasks, while Haiku 4.5 is the fastest for quick answers. And also, the most capable for complex work is the Opus 4.5. That's why it's premium. Now, after that, you're gonna start chatting using the select model. For example, if I want this one, I'm just gonna select it, and as you can see, it is set as the standard. That's the model I'm gonna use. Now, model changes don't apply to all chats. Some models require Claude Pro and match the model to your task and start a new chat after switching. And now you know how to change Claude models in 2026 and get better results instantly. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.